Assalamu alaikum and good morning, beautiful faces of the world. My name is Abdullah Hamadi and you are watching Delicious Food. So in today's video we are going to make Pav Bhaji. If you do not know about Pav Bhaji, then you continue watching the video and you will come to know what is Pav Bhaji, or you can Google it after you are done watching this video. So if you want to know what is Pav Bhaji, so continue watching the video. Do not do 10 seconds forward and watch till the end because I will try not to bore you guys. So let's get into the video and enjoy the video. Watch till the end. Thank you for watching the video and I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe this channel and like this video, and also follow our other handles. Link will be in the description below. I hope this recipe helped you. Try making this recipe and try it with butter. You will feel much more better. So that's the end of the video, and I will, like always, catch you guys with another recipe in another video next time. Salam.